Hello, this is Todd Baginski. I'm a Microsoft MVP and the partner and CTO at Canvas Consulting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Quick Tasks PowerApps sample template. This is one of the easiest PowerApps sample templates to set up that does require a little bit of setup and configuration after you click Make This App. To set it up, first go to web.powerapps.com like you see here. Then scroll down to the bottom and click See More. After you've clicked See More, keep scrolling down until you find the Quick Tasks PowerApps sample template. Here we can see it right there. There's only one version of the Quick Tasks PowerApps sample template. It's the tablet version. To set it up in your own environment, first select the environment in the top right corner where you'd like to put it in PowerApps. Then mouse over it and click Make This App. When you click Make This App, the PowerApps sample template is downloaded into your environment and opened up in the PowerApps editor. This process usually goes pretty quick. When the PowerApps sample template fully loads in the editor, it will look like this. This PowerApps sample template pulls emails and lists them from multiple email distribution list accounts. It can even work for your own email account. By default, it's configured to show the emails for the current user running the application. Now we're going to configure that to point it at a different email address. To do that, in the Screens section, click the Thumbnail View button. This will show you the thumbnail view of the different screens. Then select the Settings screen. As you can see, there is a section in the screen where it tells you the inbox it's retrieving email from. In this case, it's me, the current user. To change the distribution list that the PowerApp retrieves information from, click on the one right here that you see I selected. You can see in the text the value is user.email. That's how it grabbed my email address. To change that, all you need to do is enter the values that you would like for it to return when it queries the email accounts for information. So I can put in another one here. That's the same one we got with the user.email. And then I can separate if I'd like more than one and use a comma delimited list to do so. So I can put in another email address here, which actually is a distribution list in our org. So now you can see that the PowerApp is configured to return information from both my inbox as well as the info@canvas.com inbox. After you've done that, hit File and click Save. This will save the Quick Task PowerApps sample template to your PowerApps environment. Here you can click Save one more time to commit the app. After you've committed the app, then you can publish it to other people inside of your organization by clicking Share This App. I'm not going to do that for this video though. Next, check your connections to make sure that they have been authenticated. To do that, click View in the menu and click Data Sources. If they say not connected here, what you'll want to do is remove them and add them back so that they're tied to your particular tenant. We're going to remove and add the Office 365 Planner and Office 365 connectors. You don't need to do this if they already show as signed in your particular environment. To remove them, click the ellipsis next to them and select Remove. After you've removed each one of them, then you'll simply add them back. To add them back, click Add Data Source and then select those three connections. So the first one I'm going to do is the Office 365 Outlook. You click that and that will add it. The next one I'm going to add is the Office 365 Users connector. And then finally I will add the connection to Planner as well. This PowerApp reads from Office 365 Outlook to pull in your emails, and when you create a task, it creates it in Planner. The Office 365 Users connector is used to return metadata about different users. That's how all these different connectors are used within the app. If you need to make that change like I did here, again, go to the File tab and click Save. After you've saved your Power App, then publish it so all the users in your organization will be able to see those new changes. Now that your configuration is complete, you can come back to the Apps section in PowerApps and you will see Quick Task in the list. Here you can click the ellipsis next to this item and click Play. When you click Play, the Quick Task Power App will load and display all the emails from the different accounts that you've selected in the configuration screen. When the app loads, now you'll see all the emails displayed for each account that you've selected. Notice first, in the drop-down list, I can see both of the different accounts here, mine as well as my distribution list. When I flip between the two of them, I can see the different emails that are displayed for both. That concludes how to install and set up and validate the Quick Task Power App sample template works. We look forward to seeing how you use this in your organization and how you extend it as well. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time.